Okay, so it's time for another how-to video. So you see here's linear light, 10-foot linear light. No slot punch this time. This time you gotta run 2 mains. Gotta cut it out and make that right here. Stay tuned. All right, first we're gonna mark them out. Right there, this one is 3 1/8. Boom, boom, boom. 10 feet. Remove it. Now we have to run a main here because these are 4-footers. So I can leave my 2-footers, but 4-footers, I'm gonna have to take them out. Okay, 4-foot tees are out. 2-foot tees are snapped in. Let's cut out. Let's put the mains up. Okay, so we've got our mains up. Had to add wire. And now I've got these clamps, not clamps, they kind of crimp on and then screw them on. Just a 3-way bracket. They go on like so. Let's see. Let me see. They you squeeze them. And then I'll screw that down. And you see, just and that'll hold the T to the main. You got your light wire at each end. And one more bracket to do. And this is basically your finished product with the light in. There you go.